You know what, Chris, though?
Yeah, what's up?
Maybe Jumia is better for a longer contract.
He's
Oh, I'm
trying
talking about
to.
longer contracts. I wanted to get
There's a small little pullback right now, but it's not.
yeah.
I don't think it's. I don't
But
know. It doesn't look like it's going to go
you
too
know
far
what?
because it did just cross over.
Pullback could be good because if it's not as strong, if it's only a correction and gets close to the entry, it's gonna
This is
be
going to clear out all the
it's gonna
suckers
push.
and then push back up. What are next week's calls? Oh, never mind. They've got they're monthlies, aren't they? Ouch.
There we go. FSO puts printing.
You good?
Yeah, Elkin, those are monthlies though.
What is it?
Jumia.
Oh, Jumia.
Yeah.
Yeah, to get like a longer contract. All right, I'm not too mad with Neo. I sold it for a pretty decent price. It's already filled. You should contact support.
Borax, SunPower's going for a walk today.
Is it? What's it at right now?
2371.
Not bad. It's been stuck in that range forever. Above 24, I'll get calls.
What is Penn doing? Dude, Penn was such a ripoff yesterday. Oh god, that hurt me. I caught a loss and then the steam went so high. Mm.
Party.
Oh, Elgin, yeah, he might have a sell order already placed. And he's trying to place another one. That might be why it's rejecting.
Sold.
Yeah, I think that's his issue. He can sell because he has an order placing. So
Yep, there it is. Yeah, so just cancel that order. I'll just type it.
You guys watching Rocket? It's a rocket.
Didn't we swear off of that yesterday?
Oh, I made my money yesterday, and I said, okay, no more Rocket.
There's that Jamia bounce. After that big candle down. Well, big for that stock anyway.
Lumea, what happened?
Yeah, but I'm on the 5 minute.
PTON, I'm over PTON, I'm over pen. I'm over Neo too. Neo's gonna hit 44. Jesus Christ, oh god. Borax.
It's filled. It's taken
He
care of.
probably made more money on by not closing that contract right away.
Yeah, he made what do you make?
Because Neo was rocketing right now.
He
Once
made
when
$10
I
more.
started talking to him, Neo took a dip. Huh? I'll be right back.
Is your storm there yet, Borax?
What's that?
Is your storm there yet?
No, Wednesday. Now we're getting 12 to 15.
Wasn't that what it was yesterday?
It was 8, 6 to 8.
Gross. We don't get that much in Colorado, but or at least not where I live. But I get sick of it.
Oh, Amazon's negative today.
Did you see that big pump on Docu?
Yeah, I was thinking about getting in yesterday and I didn't.
Well, aren't you in the Docu contract?
What Donkey contract? I mean,
Oh, you didn't.
I have Z, I have PayPal, Tesla.
Did you have a January 260 call? Was that you?
No. Mm-mm.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
I wish.
Where, dude? Up $5 today. Amazing.
Oh, Kian's here. What's up, Kian?
What's up?
Solo, wow. Great.
Okay. Bro, I can't believe BA, dude. Oh, God. BA made me sad, actually. I was gonna get inputs below 228, and the thing went all the way to 224.
Wait, Levia is not even in the chat, the voice chat.
What's that?
He says, oh wait, oh,
He's
oh,
he's on the other,
he's not even in the other one.
yeah. It's another one.
He was on earlier.
No, yeah, see, I'm all out of AMD. I'm out. I sold everything.
Yeah, I'm this garbage,
Gotcha.
dude. I know, dude. I say I'm not gonna touch AMD in like a long time.
The 100 call was good. The 100 was good.
Yeah, that filled the account for the day.
There you go. Jesus Christ. Oh man, Nvidia has literally not moved in the past month. Oh, Neo's starting to sell off a little bit. Oh, Jay, your rocket. Wow, up 50 cents. That's a huge move for rocket. I'm being serious.
Huge move. Oh, I mean,
Rocket,
obviously, yeah. I mean, it moves the contract a lot for sure.
Oh, shit, dude. If Naveen played those Amazon puts, you'd make a lot of money.
PTON. What about UPS? UPS. I want to do something with UPS, but
Yeah,
UPS doesn't want to do anything with me. Just lag.
Yeah.
Dude, actually, you know what? That fuel cell, the fuel cell call, we got them right at the best moment because energy pumped today.
Oh, nice. He's there.
But yeah, nice. Yeah, small account. The small account challenge is like the best of it all.
Seriously. Who's still holding Chewy? I got one more contract left.
I just closed out the paper one. I've been watching it.
Yeah, I'm gonna actually close it out now.
Was that
Yeah,
the?
you said you mirror your account, right? So if you get it on one side, or if you get it in live, you get it in paper.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, usually what I do is if I actually buy a contract, I'll buy a paper at the same time so we could see how it looks later on, if it was a good sell or a good hold or good to hold still. I just like to keep track of what's going on afterwards. Kind of keeps me in the loop of things.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm up 2% on that UABS
Nice, dude. All the credit to Naveen.
sale. Oh,
I'm actually gonna, if SunPower hits 20, oh, it hit 24. I'm gonna sell
Did it?
140 shares. Yeah, because I bought it at $12. I want to just cut my cost. I'm selling half.
I got some power at 1396.
I got it
Yeah.
at 19, but only 100 shares.
The Starbucks 86.41 for me. Starbucks looks good.
Yeah.
Get some coffee, bro.
Silo I got at
Get some
105.90.
coffee, bro.
And that thing dipped to 90 and I didn't buy more. I was like, oh god, they're gonna go broke. I should have bought more when they did because I bought it and within like a week they dipped to 90.
Zillow's trying to take over the industry. They're going to do what the banks did after the last crash. And as soon as people start foreclosing, they're going to start buying. And they'll have the market cornered.
Why would I even sell clock? Jesus Christ, I sold my shares.
Palantir moving. Let's check it out. No. If you want to enter Palantir, I'd enter at 2683 or 2750.
Gian, you said you're a kind of a dividend investor a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Do dividends get paid out at the end of the day they're supposed to get paid? So whatever the closing price is, they'll get purchased at that?
Yep.
It's closing price, not after hours, right?
It's closing price, yep.
Okay.
Yeah, closing price, and then I just reinvest it. I don't really cash it out.
I just do the drip or have a drip turned on for all my accounts.
That's perfect.
Unless it's something I'm not excited about, then I'll turn it off and I'll reinvest it somewhere else.
Yeah. I need coffee. I'll be right back.
Hey, you guys watch Baba? It's literally hit my alert for the support. Looks like it's breaking through.
Bro, Elkin, that pins was definitely not going up.
Yeah, no, that's why I was saying better stay out of it.
Yeah, I haven't done anything today, bro, but I came back with so
It's
much profit
okay.
yesterday. I'm so chill.
You don't have to trade every day, to be honest.
Yeah, no, that's why
Some days it's better to just stay away. Like instead of look at charts, like try to find something to learn. Like right now, I honestly I've been going through stocks, and I can't see anything that I would really like. No, I
D-Dog.
see stuff that I go like, well, this looks okay, but I don't see anything that I'd be like, all right, I feel good here.
Mm-hmm. I think the BA put we missed out early play.
The BA put,
Yeah,
I
and then
know, I was so close to get it filled, and right when because if you look at my levels, you see how I put BA below 228 or yeah
yeah,
228.
I had like a
I
triple bond.
like it triggered. And then I was trying to get in, and I was so close to get it filled, but right before like I hit my bottom, it just started like it started like going down, down, down. Kian, what time is your dentist appointment?
10 a.m. But
Um.
it's like 5 minutes away from my house, so I could leave my house at like 9:50.
Okay.
I thought you went yesterday.
Okay.
I have another one today, and I have another one this week. I have like
Jeez.
one of my teeth when I took my wisdom teeth out. I don't know if they like chipped it or something, but it's been bothering me, and I think it's next to. And then I think one piece like went to my close to my
What?
nerve.
Or the bone?
Yeah,
Yeah.
something. And it's
Ugh.
and like it's been and it just started bothering me like a week ago. But apparently they've been saying it's been getting worse. So I don't know. I have no idea what's you know. So we'll see. Today I'm seeing a specialist, and then they said most likely you should get the procedure done this week because of the holidays and stuff.
Good luck with that. That
Yeah,
sucks.
I know. I fucking hate the dentist. No offense to
Now
anyone
you,
who's
now you get to sue the old guy
yeah, literally, literally.
for negligence.
hmm D Dog, TTM is firing It's losing momentum. Volume is kind of low. Can't hold the 104. I don't think D-Dog is the swing to play right now. Oh wait, he's not in the shit. Okay. And
I'm getting a setting alert for AMD.
yeah, that's I'm completely out of
Should
AMD.
we? Dude, I've been playing too many AMD calls. I wonder if the puts are gonna play me.
625 support for Tesla. I have first 630.93 and then 618.49.
Alright, I think I'm gonna jump into an AMD put.
Yeah, I have a QQQ put as well.
I got two,
Yeah,
and just sold one of them.
just a hedge. I got a dude. I honestly I've been an idiot for not hedging anything. Holy shit, market. It's just what the fuck. What the hell happened?
Alright, so AMD is 92, 76. Alright, I'm gonna get an AMD 95 put here.
You said 95. I'm down.
Yeah, I got a 95 put.
I'll get it with you. 196.
No, a 95 put. I didn't get a
No,
call.
no, 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 no. 196 the premium.
I pay 132. No, you're looking at 96
Oh fuck! Oh
put.
fuck! I just
I
bought a
wouldn't
call.
even get it right now.
I'm an idiot. I accidentally bought a call. Fuck my life. I just sold it. I just sold it for break even. Every alert I put, Ali texts me. Keon, I like that play.
It's nice to know you're doing a good job.
Yeah.
Be a problem if they're kicking you in the nuts every time you do.
Yeah, that is true. That is
You'd
true.
be sterile by now.
What's your thing about party?
I just posted it.
I know, but like, what's your like idea on party?
No, no, no. I just post. I said
Oh,
TTM.
like a reasoning?
Yeah, TTM fired long on the 4-hour moving average on an
Oh,
uptrend, broke the pivot point of 5.4, plus unusual option activity.
okay. Thank you for that. I'm at work. I can't see it.
Of course.
Did that pop up on the option sweep?
Yep.
Cool.
I think for me, the small account challenge, or if I can find like really cheap premiums that have
Alright, hopefully AMD drops here. I need a thing to drop. If I can make money on calls, please make me money on puts.
okay, don't rip me off. Tech is falling off a cliff. Well, let's check first
so,
before
not
we get
too much.
emotional. Thank you. you, Wesley, for not playing D-Dog.
So you do similar to what I do on that option sweep channel too, right? You do similar to what I do on that option sweep channel.
Yeah, no.
Look for the sub 1 hundo and
Take advantage of that. That thing is
if you see something you like, get in.
Yep. You know, you can double check on your chart as well, just to make sure. Let's just see what's going on. You know, this is coming straight from Black Box. You know, so whatever I post in the chat from, you know, that colorful thing, this is the option sweep thing bot is straight from Black Box.
How do you decide on these which ones are
So you want to look
people
at
hedging their portfolios against what they own and what is actually something they see as a movement or a big move coming?
that you can't really determine.
I use it as a I use it as a like a volume alert, and if I like the chart,
Yeah, that's another good thing.
but I don't just go in because it's on the sweep, because it's what you say. Sometimes or sometimes I'm looking at something and then I get the sweep and it's like I already knew this. I already was looking at this.
Or it's moved too quick and you're just like, I missed what I wanted.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Nasdaq. Yes, actually, Nasdaq is falling. But we gotta think of it this way. We're at highs of highs. But let's check it out. So someone tell me. This is a quick, what's it called? Quick test. Whoever has 8 moving averages on their uh, chart. Is it holding above the 8? If it's not holding above the 8, is it holding above the 21?
It's below the 200.
Nasdaq below 200?
Well, actually,
Wait.
you're looking at 5 hour or 4 hour. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Look at
Yeah.
daily.
I got you.
Yep. Jesus Christ. If Nasdaq's below 200, we can go much more down.
No, that was on the 5 minute. You get a 1 year one day.
That works.
So it's still above the 21. Still above the 8.
So it's still above the 21. It's still above the 8. So tech isn't falling off yet. So this is how you.
There's just more
not yet.
selling pressure than there is
Exactly.
buying right now.
It's just selling. When you start to get worried, you still have the 8, right? If it breaks below the 8, you have the 21. Breaks below the 21, that's when you should start, you know, rethinking some things. Okay, maybe getting a hedge for your long-term portfolio. Maybe, you know, buying puts, whatever. Selling some shares. Okay. You can use the 50 as well. The 50, it's just there's no point for me. But that's the key indicator, the 8 and the 21. You know, so when I said, you know, the SPX, right? Let's go to my chart. SPX daily. So right now
Yeah.
SPX is holding right above the 8, right? So we're still in the good territory. There's not, you know, crazy amount of pressure going on, right? I mean, SPX is still up 18 points today.
Are you sharing your screen right now or no?
Oh wait, yeah, I can share my screen. Yeah, see it?
Yeah.
You see how it's holding right above the 8, right?
Yeah.
So we get starting nervous if we can, you know, if we, you know, go to a 21, but we're still bullish from the 21. Okay.
So if it's riding the 8 though, it's kind of stagnant. It's not really going. It's not going up. It's not going down. It's just holding.
Well, look at this though. You see this? This is riding the 8. This is also riding the 21. Okay. And we're still holding over the 8 moving average. Okay. If we
Okay.
break below the 21, that is when we're gonna have to find support. It's probably gonna be here. It's probably gonna fill the gap here. Okay.
Right.
Now, obviously, this is where it gets scary. I mean, I hope we do not. Look, it's like a kind of double top here.
Because that would be a correction or a crash.
This would be a correction here, right? So we can
Yep.
we can see that we're kind of, let's say it was this June. You see how we held here, the 200. This is where
Yeah.
we had the break. We've had, but we held, and now we're riding the 8 and 21. Okay.
But there were probably people panicking right around then with that
Oh,
that wick
this whole
that's
time.
almost got to the 200.
Yep. Yeah, right here. People were oh, of course. But traders would say, right now we're fine. We're still over the 200. This is our biggest support. This is the biggest support, right? But even
Yeah.
though, like, dude, this whole time, a lot of market uncertainty, because we still have I mean, at this time, the coronavirus was still, it was probably one at the worst. And, we had no vaccine, nothing. But we saw, I mean, this is probably all earnings and everything, earnings reports. But then you start to see that the moving averages are starting to dip here. Okay. Now it's falling, right? So it broke the 8. It broke the 21, but it's kind of riding it. Okay, but we're still in a downtrend, right? You see how the moving averages are facing down? So we're still, we're still on a little downtrend, kind of, the 8 crosses a 21, becomes a little bit more bullish. Now the 21 crosses the 8, or we break the 8. Okay, we break the 8, right? This will be, a major support.
So here's one question then.
Mm-hmm.
When you're going on this, you still consider it riding it if the pattern is close, or when do you consider it a break from? So like go back just a little bit to the left. No. Back where you were at. I can't tell what date that is. Yeah.
Okay.
So this candle at the one just to the left of that.
This one right
So
here.
that one's below. Is that still considered riding, even though it's disconnected from it?
This is where I would have no position.
Okay, but you consider that where it's kind of broken a little bit down.
Mm-hmm.
But as long as it's touching or close to touching, you'd still consider that riding
Exactly.
the moving average.
Yep.
Okay.
And what you can do, you can just add a support as well. You don't always, you can always draw your support lines, right? From the previous.
Yeah.
You see how this one right here? So it held
Yeah.
the support. This is, moving averages is like using an automatic support resistance, but you can also put yours as well. So that I know
Right.
that, it held here, and we're expecting a bounce up. And now that it's above the 8 right here, that's like a little more confirmation that, okay, we can go long. Broke the 21, we can go long, and
Okay.
now ride the 8 again.
But you're looking for whatever closed that day.
Yes.
Is the
exactly.
Okay.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Sorry to hijack your scalping channel, Elkin.
Oh shit. Yeah. Sorry, Elkin.
He's not even listening.
No.
Cool. Thank you.
Of course.
If I don't mute, can you guys still hear my background noise or not really?
I can't hear anything. Nope.
Okay, good.
Okay.
I kind of like that Party City idea though.
Yeah.
Even with even though it wasn't like it was something that you found a sweep, but if you think about it, April's right around the time when we should start having a larger majority,
Right.
or not majority, but we should have a larger percent of the population with vaccines,
Mm-hmm.
or people that have already had it and aren't even worried about it anymore.
And I think retail is gonna start, moving higher. We'll see.
Okay.
We'll see. Cheap premium.
Good thought. I did do a little bit more research on that UAVS too. The article that I did find it said we'll need to ditch the idea that UAVS is going to tag team with Amazon for their deliveries.
Oh man, if that.
But who knows?
Yeah.
That could just be just to throw somebody off the scent of what's actually going on. My 1,000 shares are still riding.
There you go.
I jumped on a party with the rich guy's account, so I won't look at it. Just see how it writes till April.
Nothing better than hot coffee.
What the hell's Rich Guy's account, Jay?
My rich buddy, he lets me use some of his buying power on his account,
Nice.
and then every $1,000 I make, he gives me 1,000, or he gives me 500, and then he resets my buying power to 500.
No kidding.
Yeah.
You get
He gives me-
incentivized to trade. Nice.
Jay takes my plays, gives it to the guy, and then he makes money off of it. That's crazy how that works. And he doesn't pay a membership.
What do you mean I don't?
Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry.
The guy.
I'm sorry. He ain't gonna buy into it. Don't worry, dude. It's only one contract.
Just kidding.
And this is the only time I'm doing this, so don't worry about it, bro.
What happens if you lose money?
I'm playing.
If I lose money, then
No downside risk?
Not really. He hasn't told me.
Come to his house.
Nice. He'll send Rocco.
What is
I think the way he does it is that like he just wants to know my own analysis on a chart, so he's kind of just like okay with it. I don't know. I've helped him make over 100 grand, so he should be
Gotcha.
okay with 500.
Oh wait, January 26 call. Whoa.
Don't you have a long for that?
I have a long one. Wait, what the? I have a May 21st, 2022 call.
Didn't you get that back when the price was still like 15 or something like that?
Wait, let me check. Don't tell me No, I have a 5, yeah, 5. Look.
Good thing you got us to keep track of your account.
Yeah, I mean, I know, I got
Docs.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I mean, that is a different contract. But I think, I mean, Eli's is a good, Cow is a good example. It's still holding above the 8, right? It's been riding above the 8. Let me see when I entered. It was, I entered right here, I think. TTM fire volume is terrible. Yeah, out of the money always kills. Unless you're playing Tesla, where
Brady. Brady, are you there?
I think we should start to hedge a bit, to be honest with you.
It's steadily raising.
Yeah. Actually,
Oh,
I fired on the daily.
it did. Okay, time to hedge.
I'm just gonna keep put just because. SQ is crazy the way that stock moves.
Okay, and you weren't here for this. I bought a Fastly call at the very bottom.
Uh-huh.
It rose up. I finally got it up to $40 profit, and then I tried to sell it for 40, and then the market makers put it for 30 profit. So when I sold it for 30 profit, it's going down to 20 profit, all the way down to $10 profit. And then once I canceled the orders, it would go back up to like 30 or 40. And it would do that each time, about 6 to 8 times.
Damn, nice.
I was like, wow, no, no, no. What I'm saying is that I was never able to sell.
Oh,
So every time I put a limit sell, it would automatically drop the option like $10 cheaper.
oh, jeez.
And then I try to do it $10 cheaper, and then it would do $10 more cheaper. Manipulators, bro. I have a video on it. I sent it to Borax.
Anytime, Levon. Anytime, buddy. Remember, slow days like these, no need to force trades, because tomorrow could be a whole other day. Everyone who's probably looking at my screen right now is like, this guy is only staring at one stock. What is he doing? He's not even trading.
Are you talking about me? Because I'm
No,
staring at your
no,
screen.
yeah, no, me. Like, cause like, I have 3 monitors and I have like a lot more charts than this, and I think some people are just like, dude, this guy's looking at one chart.
Yeah, it's funny because I'm just staring at yours, like waiting for you to do something.
Wait, what? What the fuck?
Oh, coffee's hitting me. I'll be back.
Enjoy.
Wait, how do I? Wait. Care to explain out the money in the money? Yeah, I can definitely explain that. Is he? Are you in? Yes. Yes. So out the money. Now it really depends. Stocks like Chewy. So right now it's 987, right? Let's say you wanted to get 100 call, okay? Or even a 95 call, okay? These are out the money. The expected move of Chewy is about four st 4 points. Okay, so the chances of Chewy hitting these prices in 4 days is like it's not gonna happen. Okay, so these are out the money. Again, you can maybe capture some premium, but if the stock is not moving, and if tomorrow, let's say it goes to 86, these contracts will be most likely worthless. So these are gonna be out of the money. And the reason why is because this right here, the delta. The delta is very low, okay? This is what changes your premium price, right? The theta is obviously not, not as high, but this theta is overtaking the delta. So you're not making any money off this, okay? If unless Chewy, something comes out and, it shoots up to 90 or 91, 92. Um, that's the only way we make money. So in the money is that if Chewy right now is at 87, we're looking at 85. This is an in the money play. The delta is much higher than the theta. Okay, so this is a great contract to have if you want to go long on Chewy, right? So this is the contract we actually had from last week, last Friday, that we just sold for profit. But the delta is so much higher, right? And so if Chewy goes to 88, we're going to make a lot more money on this contract than this out the money play of this contract because the delta is much lower than the 85 call. Okay? So that's the whole reason why for me, if I play swings, my real alerts, not the small accounts or whatever, the high risk, those, always look for contracts with 40 delta or above. Okay? Because that really affects your profits. Because again, if you have this contract and Chewy goes up, if Chewy's moving, to the upside, you're going to make more money on this contract than this contract, right? Again, you're paying a higher price, but at the end of the day, you're going to be making more money because the higher delta. And we're going to go over the delta stuff today in class. Hopefully that explained, and hopefully
Hey, Keon.
yeah.
So the IV,
Yes, IV.
this is something I didn't even, I just realized this, or
Uh-huh.
when you were saying it. So if you go to the top right, so it's plus or minus for this week, plus or minus $4.53
Yes.
or 54 or whatever.
Mhm.
That's the expected move by the end of the week,
Yes.
starting today or starting at current time.
At current time, exactly.
Okay, so at the beginning of the week, it'll be higher, and it'll kind of decay as it goes
Yep.
through the end of the week.
Mhm.
Okay,
Mhm.
cool.
And
I'm
then
sure I've been taught that somewhere. I just
no, dude,
didn't click
ask
until just right
questions.
now.
No, dude, ask questions. I seriously don't even care if someone hops into this voice chat and says, "I honestly have no idea what a stock is," or I don't know how to read ticker symbols." I literally would not care. Um,
Unless we just had a class on it.
unless we had a class, yeah, that's a um. No, I love answering these questions. No one should be afraid of asking questions. That's the reason why people join these groups, right? We're here. I mean, I don't know if other groups help or whatever, but for us, our main goal is for everyone to become knowledgeable about trading, right? You guys are here to make money too. Um, but I want you guys to learn as well, you know? So one day, let's say, I gave you key levels or Elkin gives you key levels. Um, you guys can look at the chart yourself. If we're working on some trades, you guys can make your own trade. That's our goal, for you guys to become good traders, while making
Right.
money as well. Um, so you would buy the contract in the money, but as a higher bid price. Me personally, yes, I always get in the money, or most of the time in the money. Now, you're gonna get into stocks like Tesla. Okay, Tesla is a whole different, it's a whole another story. Tesla in the money plays are $2,700 per contract, but Tesla has a 56 point expected move. So with Tesla, to be honest with you, some of these high out the money plays could pay off, even though their deltas are so low. I mean, maybe the 720, 700s. Tesla in one day, Tesla in one day can move 60, 70, 80, 40, 50 points. These are different animals compared to Chewy, right? Or, like rocket or whatever. Um, but you're obviously paying a much higher price, and that's why I'm not gonna. I mean, for me, I have a March 650 call, so that's a 30-point move or 20-point move. Um, but that's an expensive contract. Say that higher delta thing. Yeah, so the higher the delta, so look for contracts that have at least a 40 delta when you're swinging. Scalping is quick. Scalping, I don't know uh, how Elkin looks at delta or theta. He just plays the whole momentum.
Just look at the higher delta still.
The higher delta
You still
still, right?
gotta look at
Yeah.
the delta,
Um,
obviously.
mhm.
Don't
Like
worry
that if
too
you have
much
a
about
lower
that on
delta,
the
you're not going to make
same
much
way.
money. Is that right?
Exactly.
Yeah, it's like you're gonna, like, for example, let's say we buy a AMD 96 call here.
It's
AMD is
a
96.37. If
54 delta,
AMD
right?
goes to 97.40, you're gonna make $55.
Yep.
But if you get 100 call and AMD move $1, you're gonna make 24. So it's a little less than half.
So
And for every price tick up, you hit that next level up, right?
After that, the gamma adds to the delta. So your new delta is gonna be 54.09. It's gonna be the new delta is gonna add the gamma once it gets one strike more in the money.
Was that your stop that just got closed out?
Me? No.
Keon.
this is Keon.
Oh, he's on
Good.
mute.
How are you? Yes. Yep. 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 I'll be there. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Sounds good. And I'll just call this same number, right? Great. Thank you so much. Sounds good. Bye. Sorry. Quick phone call.
I think your AMD just got stopped out.
It did. Yes, it did. But it's okay. Profitable on AMD today. No worries. And Apple today made me a lot of money. Oh man, PayPal. So PayPal, if it can't hold 216.53, I might get puts.
Says the guy that never plays puts.
Says the guy that never plays puts. You're right. Oh, wait, Naveen asked me a question. Shit, where is he? Do you always look short interest before your trades? Just curious if you do. Short interest. Not. Not necessarily. I mean, not really. I should though, but I kind of. LDR. Yeah, give me a second. I got like thousands of questions. The LDR has no resistance. Oh wait, it does. 2286 first resistance. Yo, you guys got Elkin too. Does TOS hold funds before you can trade? When you do your first deposit. Oh wait, is he? Oh no. Ampy's not in here. You can't. Oh god. I don't think you should even bother to trade on. Or can you add moving averages on Robinhood? What's up,
Couldn't tell
ninjas?
you.
Yo, I'll answer that question for you.
Yeah, can you? Okay,
Yeah.
I gotta
Yeah.
I gotta answer Naveen's.
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you, sir. You know who has been a big disappointment? Salesforce. Salesforce is now below the 200. Wow.
The market didn't like their buyout.
Not they didn't like it at all.
They hated. They thought there was a lot of articles that came out that said that they overpaid.
And to be honest, like I don't know, like we work really out of. I mean, you got what, 2 years on that contract? Yeah. So options. Oh, an extra day or two. Hmm. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's well said. That's good. Thank you. Let's put the sirens on so people can see it. BKCI Caesar added to. Why these messages last like 2 seconds? Okay. Added to simple moving average scan 10 above greater than 20 or greater than 50. Yeah, Caesar actually. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do something. Oh, let me. What were you asking for? Marvel Leap. So Marvel.
Did they get a little bump today with the possible addition?
46 cents.
Sweet.
The thing that worries about me on Marvel is TTM fired to the short side on the daily. Still above the 8 and 21. You have probably a resistance of around 45.21, 45.17-ish.
Do stocks usually get a bounce when they get added to an index?
Not exactly sure, to be honest with you. I know they have to. I mean, they have to adjust their float and everything. I don't know if I think when Etsy got added to S&P, I think they flew.
Because isn't Marvel getting added?
Is Marvel? I have no. I didn't even know about that.
I don't remember the list from yesterday. Let me take a look. Yeah, Marvel's being added to NASDAQ.
Oh, thanks. Marvel's getting added Nasdaq. Okay, so it seems like they haven't really corrected, but so Marvel is also in a tight wedge. So yeah, I mean this thing has to. This thing's got to break 45. 45. But dude, you got to 2023. I think you shouldn't even look at this. Think of it as a long-term investment. But I mean, let's see though.
Oh, somebody played a leap on this?
Yep. So 47. Dude, are you kidding me? Why isn't this thing not working? The stock will really move if it breaks the 47 area. You have a support. Yeah, 44, 43-ish, or 34, I'm sorry, as a pivot. Then you got a downside of 43. So your major key level is 45.17, but to be honest with you, you can move that contract somewhere or don't even look at it. Yeah, Tesla go long at 630.93 if anyone wants to play it. 631. Doesn't have it. Doesn't have short. Who played a 98 call for this week? Not good, not good. AMD. So let's look at AMD here. AMD has an expected move of 3.7 points. And a weekly 98, delta's 34, theta is 22. You have a 32% chance of going in the money. So I risk. I cannot say sell or hold because I will be liable, but risk what you can afford. Dude, oh my god. Oh, good thing I didn't go long on docu. But I think this thing still has room to run. Okay, so CRM is not actually yikes, man. Microsoft 212 PayPal. Okay, so PayPal needs to break 219.65 to become bullish again. Dude, wow, Facebook is just getting destroyed too. Jeez. Johnson & Johnson has been a flat line for a couple days now. Pinterest is
Hey,
holding.
Kian.
Yeah.
Now that you mention it, Facebook's at a perfect buy-in price.
Why?
Why? Because it bounced off this multiple times in the last 30 days. Here, give me 1 second.
I personally do not see anything bullish about it on the daily chart. If I look at 4 hour, 4 hour looks even worse. Let's look at weekly, 3-year weekly. Moving averages are trending lower. TTM losing momentum on the bullish side. I mean, it has been losing momentum on the bullish side for a while. And it just broke my last support.
Okay.
So I would not, I don't see anything good about Facebook right now. I would not
Okay.
enter Facebook personally. Like honestly, I don't even care if I miss it from 268 to 274. I personally will not enter Facebook until I hit above 274.32.
Okay.
No, but you can take the risk, get a cheaper premium. TTM has fired, but has a sell pressure of 96%. Has fired, but there's no direction yet. It's not long or short. So, and moving averages are still trending down. It's trending lower.
Maybe in the money 2 weeks now. We'll just see how it goes end of day.
Okay. Yeah.
Just as a practice.
It's already 9 o'clock, dude. No, no, no. I don't want to go.
Kyle, a heavy machinery driver?
Say it again.
I said, is Kyle a heavy machinery driver by chance?
No,
Like a front
I'm
loader?
No, I'm driving in my truck.
Oh, okay.
Heavy machinery.
You have to say tank.
Big old diesel truck?
Just a Duramax.
Gotcha.
Anything.
And I love it, dude. Kyle's really in this.
Yeah, I got nothing else to do, so might as well listen in. Can't
No, no,
trade
no,
though.
no. No, I'm just saying, like, I'm glad you're here, man. It's just
Oh.
funny that, like, I told you, like, come join. And then, like, you've
Yeah.
been sticking to it and you're really doing great. So, it's awesome.
Yeah, that's great.
Dude, that biker show was unbelievable.
Hey, Kean, I forgot to tell you, I didn't listen to you.
Like you ever do.
I know. I bought into D yesterday.
You did?
Yeah, I'm sitting about it.
Oh,
I could have been. I was up like,
10 strike?
yeah, but I bought it for the 24th. Yeah, I was actually up like $50 this morning.
Mm.
Jumped up, but
I think you still got. No, you're good. I think.
yeah.
You're good. God.
So far, that Facebook's up 32. So that would have been good for a scalp.
Nice. Oh, yeah. 84.38. Man, dude, the Boston board is just terrible. Goodness.
It's Tuesday. Cool. If fuel cell goes below 8.23, I'm gonna hop in puts again.
Yeah, spreads or iron condors are fantastic. Yikes. Space is dropping off even more. What did I say? Don't touch this stock. Please. It's still a meme stock for now.
Pulling in Dutch Bros. Anybody want anything?
Oh, dude, give me a nice cold brew. Oof. I remember I had one of those in Oregon, like 6 a.m. I was cracked out for like 5 hours.
Do they make one that's called the
It's got like
911?
five pumps or something
Six.
like that. Six, right? The
Six
guy told me,
shots.
yeah, he's like, "Do you want something strong?" I was like, what's your definition of strong?" He's like, "Oh yeah, we'll give you 5 or 6 pumps." I was like, "Dude, I'm good. I'm not trying to get a heart
Yeah,
attack here."
dude, it's a 911 and it's 6 shots, no matter what size you get, small, medium, or large.
Jesus Christ, dude. Yeah, no.
Yeah, I have witnesses. I've witnessed heart attacks. You don't want that. Believe me.
Yeah, no.
No.
Like even my regular morning coffee, like on an empty stomach, I just get a little jittery, and I can't even imagine like how.
You walk in, go up to the barista, and ask them. You tell them what you want, and they're like, "How many pumps you want?" It's like they're selling you drugs. You slip them $5, and they give you 10 pumps.
It's like, no, I don't want the regular. I want the Adderall sized.
Yeah. Oh my god, Adderall and caffeine. What would that do?
It's not that bad. I do it every day.
Oh,
It's prescribed.
it's all
That's
good then.
everyone
ADD
says,
gang right
yeah.
here.
Yeah.
That's
That's what
ADD gang right
in
here.
college. You got 99% of the students prescribed too. Don't worry. I'm just
A
kidding.
dorm prescription's a little different.
Yeah, no, dorm prescriptions. Yeah, you got the pharmacy in room 303.
Some guy named Jim that comes to your door.
that's probably why I was only at 3.0 GPAs because I didn't have Adderall on me.
Dude,
Yeah, I only got prescribed to that shit when I was like 27.
27. What?
Yeah, I found out really late in the game that I had ADD.
dude. To be honest, with you, I think I have it too. I'm 24 and I haven't checked right
I'm 44 and still dealing with it.
No, it's not gonna go away, believe me.
Everyone has it at some extent. Don't worry.
Bro, I tried to go and watch a YouTube video, like a 30-minute one, and it'll take 2 hours because I'm like checking my phone. I walk away. I'm like talking to somebody. Sucks, man.
Oh, is that Pacific?
Yeah.
Oh, it's Pacific time?
My bad. It's Eastern time.
Okay. So they do it right after market. That's great.
They don't want it to destroy their contracts.
Literally.
They're selling. They're
They have
buying
put
calls
sides.
and puts before they meet because they know what's going to happen before we do.
You guys checking option sweep? You see the calls on Tesla coming in?
You guys probably already talked about this, but there was like a whole bunch of calls coming in for a 130 strike on Apple.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe I should have held my.
Oh shit.
I don't know. I'm kind of sussed out with those type of things. I'll probably just
yeah,
get in
no,
after like the Fed meeting.
Unusual option activity, dude. It honestly doesn't even mean like. It's just what people are buying. It's like it's a good thing to have background information. Like here's Apple, but just oh shit, oops.
Yeah, they just make like the options flow go off, and then they just sell premium until they cover the cost of whatever they slept.
Exactly. So here's Apple.
And some people are just doing it to hedge their portfolios too,
Yep.
like some of the bigger traders,
Exactly.
because they can still make money no matter what happens with it.
Yep. They get the highest delta that they can get.
I can tell you that came from a different trading group, and that analyst has paper hands, so don't trust it.
Which
What are you
analyst?
talking about?
A different trading group, they called out that contract, 130 call.
Oh.
Yeah, 130 call for
gotcha,
Apple,
gotcha.
but that person has paper hands, so don't believe in that 130 call.
I already made my money on Apple. I don't need
Yeah,
other
yeah,
analysts.
yeah. Good. All right, Facebook back to earth, but I'm still up 30. I think Facebook decided, okay, looks like we're not going up. We're just gonna keep going down.
What did I tell you?
You could kind of tell that I was lagging upwards. Like, is this the actual bounce? And then all of a sudden they're like, well, no one else is hopping on. All right, I guess we're gonna just start going down again. Maybe we'll find another bounce somewhere else. Literally what happened. I'm watching the numbers. It's telling me a story.
Oh god.
The numbers talk to me. That's what happens when you have 3 cups of coffee. The numbers speak to you.
What do the numbers mean, Mason?
Numbers mean everything. How fast numbers are moving can also tell you a story.
Tesla has a ridiculous amount of levels.
Yeah, how's Tesla doing? Well, it's still above that 630, 626. I mean,
There you go. Yeah, that's it. Above that 630. Did anyone play it? No. It's too expensive.
yeah.
Just way too expensive. And QQ keeps
Yo,
holding above 304.37. Yeah, what's up?
nah, this is something just bullshit. But
It's alright.
I have like IT coming, like taking control of my desktop
Oh shit.
from abroad.
Uh-huh.
Not like my trading
Okay,
desktop, but like
okay.
my work computer.
Uh-huh.
And I forgot that I put a sticky note and it's got a watch list with Roku, D-Dog, Walmart, and JD on it.
Oh my god.
Hey man, the IT guy might look into it. Shit, whatever.
Yeah, who
Make some
cares?
gains,
Make them kick back commission.
Yeah.
right?
Ooh, someone asked me about Walmart going long. Remember we had this on our watch list where it couldn't break the 153 level? You see what happened to it? Thing fell through. So whoever was gonna go long on Walmart, you got saved. But dude, even
I'm on
Walmart is a
commission.
very tight wedge too.
There was so much sentiment for Walmart to go above 160 by the end of the year.
Walmart's great for long-term equity. I see a really good future for them.
Definitely.
Yeah, Walmart is for sure like something you can have. But it's like just too slow.
Yeah, it's really
I
long-term
mean,
equity.
yeah. If you're on the older side, it's safe stock to have. But if you're someone who,
We're degenerates. Oh, I
yeah,
want pure growth.
yeah, exactly.
Man, what am I gonna have for lunch today, guys?
You tell me. I'm gonna have a nice lunch meeting with the dentist. I'm gonna have 2
I'm
burgers.
thinking Adderall and tater tots.
Yes.
Nothing better.
See, Marvel's starting to push too. Marvel actually doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, Marvel is my favorite ticker for the watch list.
Dude, if only stocks were like close to 200, it would be so much easier. Everything is fuck.
Imagine our market was like China's. We just all pump and all dump.
Whoa, look at this pump on AMD.
Should have helped.
What is going on?
Whoa, whoa, wee, wah.
Oh, well. The volume is coming in again. What's 30 minute looking like? Yeah, wow. Let's check Verizon. Yeah, too boring. I'm gonna out.
I wonder if Big Mass takes the $282 as a loss. Crazy.
He's probably like, yeah, today was a bad day for me.
Yeah, horrible day.
Hey, how's your party doing? PR21.
QS? Ooh.
What about
QS
QS?
is right above the 200. Volume is not so good. Up 7% today though. The fact that it's up above the 200, we can go probably long on this too. Moving averages look good. 8 on the 21. I think, Naveen, I think leaps are good. Is he in voice? Oh yeah. I think QS leaps are good.
QS is good.
If it can hold above this 200, oh, oh, fuck me, I'm on 30 minute. Jesus Christ. Oh God. See, you see the difference? You see the difference between that?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
yeah,
See, that
dude,
could
you
have
would have
killed.
clapped yourself.
I would have clapped. Yeah, that's Jesus.
So
Okay, it's still holding above the 8. If it holds above the 8, let's check 4 hour now. The
It looks
TTM,
good on the 1 hour and 4 hour.
the 4 hour, yeah, TTM looks like it might reverse. It's still, well, 4 hour it's below the 8 and 21. So I think for me to go long on this is if it goes above the 8 and when the moving averages start to look more in the uptrend.
61.75. Let's look for higher than that, I guess. Right?
I got, yeah, so right now moving average is for 8 is 59.47, the 21 is 61.15. What's a leap? Leaps are 6 to 9 months expiration minimum. If you want to go a little short term, it's,
A bit.
you don't call them leaps, but you can call them long calls, like longer, I guess you can say, like 3 to 4 months time. Naveen, I hope that helped. I think it's just above, the 8 and 21. That's a good entry. It's still, it's still not there yet, I think. But I think it's a good entry for long term. It's just nothing's really setting up well right now. Again. HD. Let's check HD out. Yeah, HD TTM is fired. So break above 268.82 would be a good entry.
Now.
Party time. Oh, PDD didn't move at all. SE broke that wedge to the downside. Huh. Did we play earnings?
That party's more of like
Party says a YOLO. I mean, it's $50. Like,
right.
mhm. I have no price target or anything. If I can get any premium out of that thing, I will be happy. But I mean, 4-hour chart looked good. Oh wait, yeah, you're in the voice chat. Yeah, YOLO earnings, YOLO, 100%. I think I've been 0 for 7 in the last earnings plays.
Which one?
Earnings, I don't think I've won an
No, I know.
earnings play. Oh, I can name. I think I played Dog
Oh
King.
no, I thought you were talking about. I thought you were just talking about current.
Mm-mm.
Yep.
What's on the chopping block today for earnings? Let's see. Dog shit.
Yeah, earnings this week is terrible.
I think the most exciting one is FedEx for Thursday after hours.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
How much? And who's paying them for the delivery of the vaccine?
I believe it's UPS and FedEx. They're both contracted.
No, I know, but and who's through the government?
Probably.
I didn't know if it was through the pharmaceutical. So I wonder how much.
Yeah, it's the government. Wait. Yep, federal government is paying for the delivery and vaccine administration costs.
Gotcha. So I wonder if they're really.
Chewy, dude. Chewy's got a lot of buying going on here. Holy shit, Chewy has run up. I still have Chewy shares actually. I put in long term. I bought Chewy at like 40.
There's a market watch analyst that says that NEO is the EV stock to watch, not Tesla. The hell out of here.
Chewy, the thing I'm worried about is just, I mean, Chewy above 88.41, this thing could run more because 88.41 is the all-time high. Moving averages look great. Nice uptrend. Let's see. Oh god, yeah, this is like you can ride this moving average. I think to go long. I mean, dude, everything looks good about it though. Maybe wait for net. Yeah, let me check net too. Net is a fun one actually. I like net to play. So net, I have. What's that? So 82.2 is my first pivot. Then 83. What is that? 43. Yeah, or 80, and then 84.53. So those are my levels for now. So first 82.2 as a pivot, then 83.43, and then this thing could go back to the 85, 86 range. below 82. Yeah, so right now it's at 81.9. So my first support is going to be around 80.97-ish. Yes, right. Yeah, so right where the 21 is. And then 80.2. So this one's just been kind of consolidating. But on the 4-hour, the TTM has fired long. So, but we're just gonna need a little more volume on this. But I think above 82.2 as a higher risk, above 83.3 as a solid confirmation. This one, maybe you can play a butterfly. Or even an iron condor right now. Maybe we can set up a butterfly for net. Yeah, iron condors are good too. What's the benefit of butterfly? Look. Oh shoot. I thought low risk, high reward if it goes your way. Cheaper premiums. Lower cost, obviously, but there is a max on your profits. And basically, you know, like AMD, you are buying one call, you're selling 2 calls, and then you're buying another call. So you're buying one call at a lower strike price, you're selling 2 calls with a higher strike price, and you're buying one call with an even higher strike price. And all the calls have the same expiration date and the prices are equidistant.
Is the person asking watching right now or no?
Yeah, he is, I think.
You can show him on your screen.
I can, yes. So what I can do, like net. Yeah, it depends on how wide the strikes are. Exactly.
But you're going in the money, at the money,
So you can
out of the
do.
money.
I hate when that happens. So let's go December 31st. So let's go buy butterfly 80, 82. Oh shit! No! Why is it doing this? No! Wait, what? What? Just give me a damn butterfly. So for example, right here, this is obviously not going to do anything, but okay. So an 84.5, 87, 88. This is very low because the legs are very close to each other, right? They're not wide. But let's say if I want to do 84, 87. No. What are you doing? Why is it doing this? Oh, that's why, because the fucking 93.5 doesn't. Am I weekly? That's why. What was that butterfly that we just did?
That's for Netflix.
That was for Netflix, right?
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, we did Netflix too, huh?
Yeah, it was like
Okay, like
490,
QQQ.
495, 5,
I'll just show you my
and
QQQ one.
505.
So QQQ, we did, it's a put. So 1231, 305, So I'm buying the 305. I'm selling the 293, selling 2 of them. And I'm buying the 285. Make sure I'm not gonna buy this obviously, but so this is what butterfly looks like. So I'm buying the 305. I'm selling 293s, two 293s, and I'm buying a 285.
Ideally, where do you price? Do you want to stay in the middle, or do you want to just go upsize again? Between which ones? I can't.
293, 285.
You don't want to go too far.
You start losing money.
It'll start chewing up on the hot top end.
Yep. Yep. So if the stock is at or near the center strike,
they work. Explore why you would use each of them. A sell stop order is set at a specific price below the last trade price.
Robinhood, you can actually do it. You can actually do it.
Widely recognized
So a vertical, not necessarily, because a vertical is you're buying one and you're selling one. But with butterfly, you're buying one and selling 2. And Robinhood, oh fuck, it's 934. Okay. Yeah, Robinhood you can. You just gotta manually do it. There's no like a butterfly tab or anything. But yeah, you can just go, you would type buy 305 put, then you would sell, you would click sell 293 put, 2 of them, and then you would buy a 205. That will be put together, and then that would be your butterfly. Yeah, QSI will not enter until it goes above these moving averages. So around 63.75. Shit, AMD is monster today.
Hey, Keon.
Yep.
Got a question.
Uh-huh.
So I came across this pretty cool study just now called the TTM Scalper Alert. Have you heard of it?
I've heard of it. I've never used it, but let me pull it up.
I just started using it just now. It's pretty cool. It shows you like what candle is gonna help make the chart go up.
The thing with these though is that they lag.
Yeah, I was gonna say I was just watching this like lag like 2-3 minutes.
Yeah, yeah. Be careful with these. I mean, it's good, it's good to study it. You can see which candles are more bullish, which candles are more bearish, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
But it looks like, with these arrows, like, I mean, seems like, a couple candles to confirm, right? And
Yeah,
then
if
maybe
you
go
catch a nice
long.
little run up,
Yeah.
like that last AMD, if you catch that nice little run up.
Yeah, I mean, right here was good.
Like 96, yeah, 96.77 to all the way 97.22, 23.
Okay, so these are 90. Yeah, I see what you're saying now. Yeah, it's just the thing is that they're not, like live. right?
Gotcha.
But no, I think it's good. It's good to see like why they're pointing it, like which candles and stuff.
Gotcha. I thought it was a little cheat sheet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, guys. I will be back. I gotta head to dentist appointment. I will see you guys soon. Shouldn't take too long.
Thanks
Hey,
for all
good luck.
the
See you,
instruction.
man.
No worries. Be back.
What's going on?
Not much.
Super slow right now. Well, with Spy did move. What's Disney doing? Disney? Disney. Ah, man, we need volume though. That's not the rip.
Does anyone know why Moderna's selling off so much?
No, it's actually very odd because they apply for FDA emergency approval.
I'm wondering if it's like one of those things where they push the price down to just get back in.
Possibly.
Because it's coming up on the daily. It pretty much touched its 14 EMA, which it hasn't done in a long time.